Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's November 11th, 2023, and I'm in Elon, the Takushi TB290 excavator. And the area that I'm in right now is a large hugelkultur pit that I put in a year ago. So this is the earth that I excavated out of this site. Really, it was really bony gravel in this area. And that really was good for building the base of the road besides the stone wall material. So this went on top of the stone wall material. And right in front of us there, right there, and I'll scoot down there in a minute, I used to be able to, when I drove down there, because this used to be a steep pitch going down, when I get to about the point where I've been depositing all that material there, that spot there, when my tracks were sitting there, I'd look at eye level here and see the ground. I just see the ground right about here. So we'll go down there and see what that looks like here. Got a couple little limbs here. So right now I'm on top of, I got this idling and I'm trying to do this with one hand. So right here, I was eyeball level with the ground over there. We're about 8 feet above, maybe 7 feet above, right down here where the base of the pit was. And then the excavator would disappear where I was right up ahead over there. And so all summer long, I've been filling this in with all the trees and materials, the root balls, this big stones too, but mostly all woody material and root balls and branches. And so this is that huge hugelkultur pit, much deeper than the ponds you've seen me dig this year. What I ended up doing was dig as deep as I could go in, make it a pitch so I could drive down in there, and then I dug over there at full depth. So what I'm doing now is just showing you the amount of material. This amount here was just in the last week, the amount that you see in front of us. So I'm going to push this up ahead and bury this, and next year I'll bring this right up to ground level around the sides here. And so really an amazing amount of material. And when I was digging pond 8, there was a lot of loose soil with the logs and the branches and all that material, and that's what I'm driving on top of right now, that loose soil that was mixed in with all the branches and logs. So it's really solid, it's really getting compacted. So just wanted to show you that. It's pretty amazing how deep this was and how much material has filled it up so far, but it still isn't full. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to push this stuff down, compact it down some, and then I'm going to head over to the new property because I got to cut some firewood pretty soon, and so we'll take it from there. Well, I made it over here onto the new property, base camp area here. The big beaver pond out over there. And so I had a pile of wood that I cut last year. Some of it was sitting in some mud down there. Dang it. So, and I have a few more pieces to cut up, but I'm pretty sore and it's quitting time. So, pretty happy with the amount of wood that I got cut up. Not too bad. Much easier with Elon, having the excavator there that I can actually position the logs for me and go through and cut them up. So that tops off this day. We got a few things accomplished and we got some wood cut up. So I think I'll call it a day. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and enjoy the beautiful fall while it lasts. Well, it's actually gone now, but the leaves are anyways. Take care now. Bye-bye.